In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a one-to-one email in ActiveCampaign. This is perfect when you want to reach out to a single contact directly, without creating a full campaign or automation. I'll walk you through the exact path to follow inside ActiveCampaign, and I'll also share a few practical tips along the way so your message looks professional and lands where it's supposed to, in your contacts inbox. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Contacts, and then choose All Contacts. This will bring up your full list of people inside your account. Next, you'll either scroll through the list or, more efficiently, use the search bar to find the specific contact you want to email. Once you see their name, click it to open their contact profile. This page gives you a detailed view of that person, including their activity, tags, and all previous communication. Now, look toward the bottom section of the contact profile. You'll see several tabs, and one of them will be labeled Emails. Click on that Emails tab. Inside this area, you'll find the option to send a message directly. Click on Send an Email to open the Email Composer window. In the Email Composer, start by checking the From field at the top. This is a drop-down menu. Make sure you select a verified sender address that you own and that is already set up in ActiveCampaign. Using a verified address helps with deliverability and keeps your message out of spam folders. Below that, you'll see the subject field. Type a clear and concise subject line that tells the contact what the email is about. Avoid spammy wording and try to make it specific and relevant to why you're reaching out. Under the subject, you'll find the message body area. This is where you type your personalized email. Greet the person by name, reference any relevant context you have from their profile, and keep your message friendly, clear, and to the point. You can format the text if needed, but try not to overcomplicate it. Once you've written your message, take a moment to proofread it. Check for typos. Verify that the correct from address is selected and make sure the subject accurately reflects your content. When everything looks good, move to the bottom right corner of the window and click Send. ActiveCampaign will send your email directly to that individual contact, and it will be logged on their profile so you can easily reference it later.